If you're looking to improve focus using timer-based tracking, you're in the right place. Timer-based tracking is one of the most effective ways to keep your mind sharp and engaged. By breaking down your tasks into focused intervals, you can boost productivity and avoid distractions. So here's the trick. Start by setting a timer for short intervals, typically 25 to 30 minutes. During this time, focus solely on one task. No phone, no distractions, just you and the task at hand. When the timer goes off, take a quick break, around 5 minutes. This method is called the Pomodoro technique, and it's an incredibly simple way to stay focused and maintain energy throughout the day. The key to this method is the timer. Using a timer creates a sense of urgency, and you know exactly when the next break is coming. It gives you a time-bound structure to follow, which keeps you from wandering off track. Plus, knowing that a break is right around the corner motivates you to give 100% focus during that time. But here's where it gets interesting. Timer-based tracking doesn't just improve your focus, it helps you track your time. Most of us underestimate how much time we spend on certain tasks, and with timer-based tracking, you can see exactly how much time you're investing in each task. This gives you insights into your productivity and areas where you might be wasting time. Now, if you want to track your progress and see your time breakdowns, I highly recommend using a specialized software. I've tested out the most popular options, and I'm sharing an exclusive free trial link to the software we're using today. It's available only for viewers of my channel, so make sure you grab it from the description below. Once you've set up your timer, whether you're using a traditional clock or the software, start by breaking your day into blocks. For each block, assign a specific task. As you go through your day, track how long each task takes. This will help you realize which tasks need more focus and which ones you're spending too much time on. Timer-based tracking also helps with mental fatigue. By working in focused intervals, your brain stays fresh and alert. It's not about pushing yourself to work non-stop. It's about optimizing your energy for better results. After each break, reset the timer and dive back into your next task. You'll find that after a few cycles, your mind will start getting into a rhythm and tasks will seem less overwhelming. Plus, this method keeps procrastination at bay by giving you a clear start and end time for each task. Quick reminder before we wrap up, if you want to follow along with the software I mentioned, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's a great tool to help you implement timer-based tracking seamlessly into your workflow. Key takeaway: timer-based tracking is a game changer for boosting focus and productivity. Use the timer to break your day into focused blocks, take regular breaks, and track your time for better results. If you haven't already, make sure you grab the exclusive free trial to the software in the description so you can start improving your focus today. And that's it. Set the timer, track your time, and see how much more productive you can be. Thanks for watching.